browsing the report catalog in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you the built-in reports grouped by role, what each one answers and the records behind it, and how to run and export the one you need. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Maintenance, Reports from your dashboard. Beyond manuals and SOPs, there's a catalog of built-in reports you can generate: maintenance history, asset downtime, parts usage, and more. This is the report catalog, grouped into role packs, so you start where your job does. Each card shows the decision it supports and the lowest level records behind the answer, so you know exactly what feeds it before you run it. Search by an operational question, a workflow, or a source table. Click any report to open it. You can usually adjust the date range or filter by asset or location before generating it. Once it's run, view it on screen or export it to share outside the app. Check here first before asking someone to pull numbers by hand. Most of what you need is already built, and the ones that aren't tell you what's still on the way.